This week we're going to share a tip on when you get to the campground and you're looking for a campsite. When you're looking for a campsite, when you get to your campsite that you think you want to get, make sure that you have good clearance first for your RV to back in. And before you even back in, if possible, pull to the side and get out and check your water and your electric. Make sure you got good power, make sure it's working for you. Before you check the power, have the switches off on the pedestal first. You don't want any power running before you go ahead and plug in your power surge protector.
You're shocked me, Thomas.
The fuse is out.
Plug in your surge protector. Turn it on. Make sure the lights are good and you're getting enough voltage. Around 120 volts you want. All green, good to go. And also make sure your water's running. Also look for your sewer. You want to know where that's at before you back up so you're not running over it. And that's our tip for the week. If you have any questions or comments or any additional tips, please leave them down in the comment section below.
Hi, Chuckles the Squirrel here. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone.